Welcome to Zoho SalesIQ. This video will focus on bot functionalities inside Zoho SalesIQ. Log into Zoho SalesIQ, navigate to Settings, Bots, and then click on Add a Bot. Give your bot a name and add a suitable description. Choose a website and the associated departments will be displayed. Enable or disable the departments according to your needs. The next option lets you choose your visitor type. You can set trigger rules to filter your visitors by clicking on the Set Criteria option. This way, your bot will reach out to the filtered class of visitors alone when they land on your website. Choose a condition from the drop-down, choose a criteria, and finally enter a value. You can also add multiple criteria by clicking on the or and icons. Then, click on Apply to save. This criteria setting is similar to the process of setting up intelligent triggers in the automation section. You can modify them or clear them if necessary. Then, you can set working hours. This will determine when your bot will assist your visitors. From the drop-down, choose an option that corresponds to your needs. The next option allows Handoff. This option allows your visitors to connect with your operators along with bot responses. You can use the SalesIQ scripts to customize the functionalities of your bot. You can either write custom code or choose from the list of templates available inside Zoho SalesIQ. We will focus on three major types of handler in this video: message handler, trigger handler, and context handler. Message handler. This handler is invoked when the bot receives a message from the website visitor. The message sent by the visitor will be available in this code, and the bot can respond to the visitor based on the message received. And now, I'm pasting the code for my custom message handler, and then I click on Save, and the handler will be saved. Now I'll show you how this works. When I initiate a conversation, my message will be replied to by the bot. And thus, I can continue having a conversation with the bot and clear all of my queries. Moving on to trigger handler. This is a piece of SalesIQ script which is invoked when a bot is engaged with a visitor based on the intelligent trigger configured. I paste the code inside the trigger handler section and click on Save. Thus, my trigger handler is set. The next type of handler we will look into is the context handler. Before we get into context handler, let's understand what a context is in SalesIQ bots. Context is a data definition that is used to collect multiple inputs to perform a single action. The message handler and the trigger handler can return a context instead of a message reply. In such cases, all the inputs defined in the context will be collected and the context handler will be invoked. So, the context handler is a piece of SalesIQ script which is invoked after collecting all the inputs for a particular context. When you click on Publish, all the handlers will be saved and your bot will be created. Now, you can view the created bot inside the bot section. Now when a visitor lands on your website, the bot will automatically trigger a message. I will also show you how the bot will answer a visitor. The visitor enters his details and types out the message in the space available. When the message is received on the portal, the bot responds to the visitor. Thus, the conversation between the visitor and the bot continues. The bot will automatically redirect the visitor to the respective website according to the option chosen at the end of the chat. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you.